In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate workflows in 5 minutes to save 5+ hours every week. ClickUp. We'll keep this simple and fast. The goal is to set up a reliable automation that handles repetitive work for you so your team can focus on the important tasks. First, open ClickUp in your browser and head to the workspace, folder, or list where you want the automation to live. Automations are usually scoped to a specific list, so pick the exact place where those tasks live. If your workspace uses permissions, make sure you have access to create automations in that location. Next, find the automations area. In most layouts, you'll see an automations button or a lightning icon near the top of your list view or in the toolbar. Click it to open the automations panel. This is where you can view what's already running and keep things organized. If you see any existing rules that overlap with what you're planning, it's a good moment to note them so you avoid duplicates. Now, click Create Automation. You'll land in the automation builder. You can start from a template or build from scratch. Templates are great when you're in a hurry. Starting from scratch gives you full control. Give your automation a clear name that describes the outcome, like a sign on status change or auto set due date, so your team instantly understands what it does. Time to customize. Every automation follows a simple structure. When something happens, and optionally only if certain conditions are met, then do one or more actions. Pick a trigger such as when a task is created, when the status changes, or when a custom field is updated. Add a condition if you want to narrow it down, like only in a certain list, only for a specific tag, or only when priority is high. Then choose your actions. You can assign the task to a teammate, change the status, add a comment, set a due date offset like 2 business days, apply a template, or update a custom field. Keep it focused and predictable. If you're stacking multiple actions, order them logically and avoid circular changes that could trigger other rules unintentionally. When you're happy, save the automation and make sure it's toggled on. Do a quick test with a sample task to confirm it behaves as expected. If something looks off, adjust the condition or action and test again. Clear naming and brief descriptions help future you and your teammates understand what's running. That's it. Open ClickUp, go to automations, create, and customize. Start small, iterate, and watch the hours add up.